This is an important message. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. Aliens are attacking Earth. A shelter-in-place is in effect for areas near major cities. In Asia, locations are Tokyo, Japan; Beijing, China; Shanghai, China; New Delhi, India; Bangkok, Thailand; Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia; Singapore, and Jakarta, Indonesia. In Europe, Moscow, Russia; Budapest, Hungary; Athens, Greece; Paris, France; Berlin, Germany; Barcelona, Spain; Amsterdam, the Netherlands; and Brussels, Belgium. In Africa, Pretoria, South Africa; Cape Town, South Africa; Bloemfontein, South Africa; Johannesburg, South Africa; Lagos, Nigeria; Cairo, Egypt; and Alexandria, Egypt. In North America, New York, USA; San Francisco, USA; Los Angeles, USA; Miami, USA; Tampa, USA; Toronto, Canada; Vancouver, Canada; Mexico City, Mexico; and Havana, Cuba. In South America, Buenos Aires, Argentina; Lima, Peru; Quito, Ecuador; Rio de Janeiro, Brazil; Sao Paulo, Brazil; Bogotá, Colombia; and Caracas, Venezuela. And in Oceania, Darwin, Australia; Canberra, Australia; Sydney, Australia; and Perth, Australia. Do not go outside. Do not approach the aliens, as they may be violent. Seek a shelter now. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. The aliens have landed in Brussels, Belgium, and are moving towards Paris, France. Seek shelter now. Nuclear missiles have been launched to destroy the aliens. Seek a fallout shelter now. If no such fallout shelter exists, move into an interior room on the lowest floor. Fallout is a product of nuclear missiles. It takes 1 minute after impact for fallout to spread. Fallout can spread hundreds of miles. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Take all essentials to your shelter. Take enough essentials to last 14 days. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. This is an all-clear signal. All aliens have been exterminated. You may exit your shelter now. However, there is extensive damage. This is an all-clear. I repeat, this is an all-clear. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.